My dear children, in this video we are going to see about hexadecimal to decimal conversion. We know hexadecimal means 16. Hexa means 6, decimal means 10. So we have the combination of 16 digits from 0 to 9 and the alphabets from A to F. So its base is given as 16. The decimal number have the combination of 10 digits from 0 to 9. So its base is given as 10. We can see an example for hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Here our given hexadecimal number is 25F to the base 16. We are going to use positional notation method. To convert hexadecimal to decimal, we can use positional notation method. Let's see the first step. Write down the hexadecimal digits and list the powers of 16 from right to left. First we have to write the given hexadecimal number. Here our hexadecimal number is 25F. We have to write the position of each hexadecimal digits from right to left in the powers of 16. That is important. Suppose if it is octal number, we have to write each position in the power of 8. Suppose if it is binary number, we have to write it in the power of 2. That is important. Here we are using hexadecimal number. So we have to write each position in the powers of 16 from right to left. In this hexadecimal number, we have the digit F. It is not able to calculate it directly. So first we have to convert this F into its equivalent value. Let's see how to convert this F into its equivalent value. We know in this hexadecimal number system, we have 16 digits combination from 0 to 9 and the alphabets from A to F. So here we can continue the value from 10. The value of A is equal to 10. The value of B is equal to 11. Then the value of C is equal to 12. D is equal to 13. E is equal to 14 and 15 for F. Here the value of F only written here. Then we can write the position notation from right to left in the powers of 16. Here the first position notation 16 to the power 0. Then 16 to the power 1. Then 16 to the power 2. Next, step 2, after written the positional notation, we have to write equivalent weight for each hexadecimal digit. That is given here. For each positional notation written for the digit, now write the equivalent weight. Here given equivalent weight for each hexadecimal digit. The equivalent weight for the digit 2 is 16 to the power 2. 16 into 16 is equal to 256. Then 5. Its equivalent weight is 16 to the power 1 is equal to 16. Then 15. Its equivalent weight is 16 to the power 0. We know any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Next, step 3. After written the weight for each digit, we have to multiply each digit with its corresponding weight. Here, first digit 2, its equivalent weight 256 plus next digit 5, its equivalent weight 16, that is written here 5 into 16 plus next digit 15, here don't write F, you have to write only its value 15, its equivalent weight 1. Next step 4, add all the values to get one final value. Finally we have to add all these values. Here 2 into 256 is equal to 512 plus 5 16s are 80 plus 15 1s are 15. Is equal to 607. Finally, we can write the final value into the base 10. Here we are converting into decimal number system, so its base is given as 10, which is the equivalent decimal number for our given hexadecimal number 25F to the base 16. My dear children, in this video we have seen the conversion of hexadecimal number into its equivalent decimal number using positional notation method. Thank you, children.